Wait, is that a lion?
Do not move.
It is looking at us.
This is scary!
Hold on tight!
It's getting worse!
Today we will see wild animals.
Maybe a lion very close. Stay with us, it will be fun. Let's start our trip! We are flying so high in the sky. I see clouds below us.
Our trip starts now.
I feel very happy today.
Yes, it is a special day.
I am ready for adventure.
The clouds look soft and white. They look like big pillows.
I want to jump there.
We are going to Kenya. It is very far away.
But we are close now.
Tom, look at your face. What is wrong? Your mask is upside down. We are in Kenya now. This place feels new. I like it already.
We are landing now.
I see the land. It is so wide.
Stay close to me.
I am next to you. I walk slowly.
The air feels warm.
Yes, very warm.
I like this weather.
Welcome to Kenya.
I want this seat. I want the window. Sit carefully.
All right, settle in. Let's go explore.
Look around you.
It is so open. We will see animals soon.
Wow, this place is very big.
I see trees everywhere.
Watch carefully. Animals are near.
Look, a zebra.
Black and white lines. It looks very nice.
It looks calm.
Yes, very peaceful.
Hello, zebra.
Look, I walk like a zebra.
So funny. Good job, Tom. Hee hee. Wow, very tall. Its neck is so long.
That is a giraffe.
Hello, big giraffe.
It is very close.
Stay calm. Do not move.
Look there, more animals. Where?
I see something.
Wow, big elephants.
They move slowly.
Yes, very strong animals.
So cute, a baby, small elephant. It stays with its mother. So cute.
Gentle.
That's right.
Family stays together.
Like our family? Yes, like us.
We go now.
More animals?
Yes, maybe lions.
What is that? Is it a lion? I see it now, a lion. It looks strong.
Stay still and quiet. It is looking at us.
I feel a little scared. It is okay, we are safe.
Do not move.
I stay still. No sound.
Roar, I am a lion.
Small lion. Very funny, Tom. It is going away.
I feel better now.
Yes, we are safe.
The sun is going down.
Yes, evening is coming.
The sky looks nice.
We are at camp.
This place is beautiful. I like this camp.
It's our little piece of paradise.
I love it. It feels calm here.
Yes, very peaceful. No noise, only nature.
Today was amazing.
I saw many animals.
And the lion.
So many stars.
The sky is bright.
Nature is beautiful.
Time to rest now.
I feel tired, but happy. Good morning. The sun is back.
I slept very well. Today is a new day.
Let us eat together.
I am hungry now. This food smells nice.
What did you like most?
I like the giraffe.
I like the lion.
I will miss this place. Me too, very much.
We will remember this.
Time to go.
I feel a little sad, but also happy.
It's okay to feel both, kids.
I feel calm now. I feel a little tired.
It was a great trip.
We are in the sky again.
The clouds look nice.
Our journey ends soon. Travel teaches us.
We learn new things. And we feel happy.
I remember every moment. The animals, the fun.
This was very special.
We will never forget this.
I remember every moment.
This was very special.
We will never forget this.
This was our story. If you like it, please subscribe. See you again.